In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sitemap for your Wix website. Having a sitemap is crucial for improving your site's SEO as it helps search engines index your pages more effectively, giving your site the best chance to rank well in search results. So let's dive into the step-by-step process of creating a sitemap on Wix. First, you'll want to navigate to the Wix homepage. Open your preferred browser and head over to the Wix website. Once you're there, sign into your Wix account. If you're not already logged in, simply enter your credentials to gain access to your dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your website design and settings. Now that you're logged in, you need to find the correct section of the Wix dashboard. Look for the option labeled Site and Mobile App and give it a click. This area is where you control all aspects relating to both your site's web presence and mobile experience. It's essential you navigate here to start addressing the SEO components of your website. Once you're in Site and Mobile App, you need to further refine your search by heading over to the SEO and GEO section. This is where the sitemap functionalities and various geolocation settings are housed. Click on SEO and GEO to open up more tailored options that guide you in enhancing your site's visibility on search engines. With these additional options on the screen, locate and click on the option that says Go to Sitemaps. This will direct you to the specific area where sitemaps are managed. Sitemaps act as a blueprint of your website, allowing search engine crawlers to understand the structure of your site as they index your content. Finally, once you've reached the sitemap section, click on View Your Sitemap Index. This action allows you to view your current sitemap. This index is essentially a file that lists all the web pages on your website. By having a sitemap, you're ensuring that search engines can easily access and crawl your website, which is particularly beneficial if you have a lot of content that might otherwise go unnoticed. And there you have it, a straightforward process for creating and accessing your sitemap on Wix. Remember, keeping your sitemap updated is vital as you add new content and pages. It keeps search engines informed and ensures that your site maintains a robust online presence. Should you have any custom requirements for your sitemap, you can explore Wix's settings further for more personalized options. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps optimize your Wix website's performance.